So another host, Cuscuta reflexa, is also penetrating into the stem of Ziziphus mauritiana and getting nourishment from the stem of Ziziphus mauritiana. You can see the overall the whole plant is occupied by Cuscuta reflexa. Again, Cuscuta sinensis is associated with the Coniza canadensis. So it is occupying the whole plant, including stem and leaves. So it is just getting nourishment from Coniza canadensis. This is another root parasite, Cystenchi tubulosa. Normally, this is species is occur in desert area. This is Orabanchi jeptica. It is a root parasite. This is Hedera helix attached with Pinus species. It is an epiphyte. Another species is Hedera nepalensis. It is also found attached with the Pinus